I need some of these on the bike. Oda CS bikes.
Good morning, YouTube. I sold my old bike, the Suzuki C800, to a friend of mine who is a new rider, not particularly mechanically inclined. So I said I would help him out with whatever he needs. We'll do some extra training, stuff like that. He understands it's an old bike, so things are likely to go wrong. I said I'd help him out where I can with that. And he called me last night. He said he's ridden in to Dubai last night, which is about 100-120 clicks for him. And when he got here, the bike was smoking. It's chucking out white smoke from the exhaust, and then he couldn't start it again. So I'm on my way down there to have a look, see if I can get it started, and if not, I'll probably get it recovered and taken back to Suzuki. I will be annoyed if the engine needs rebuilding again, because they just did that. I had the engine rebuilt in January because it was leaking oil and smoking, exactly like it sounds like it's doing that again. And that took them until March. And the day I picked it up, literally, I don't know, 20 minutes after I picked it up, I got shunted by an SUV at a set of traffic lights, and it took them another 6 months to do the bodywork and then repair the clutch. So in effect, since the engine was rebuilt, the bike has barely been used. BMW is going to pull out, isn't it? Oh, she's seen me. That makes a change. This is the Burj Al Arab, glinting in the sunlight. That's where we're heading. This guy's on the phone in front of me. Another one texting to the left of me. Texting to the right. Here I am, stuck in the middle with a taxi. Hello, me old dear. Let's see what we've got here, shall we? That's not good. Opposite Wild Wadi in Jumeirah. Opposite Wild Wadi, the water park, the Burj Al Arab motorcycle. How long will he be? Alright. How long will that take? Yeah, how long will he be? Yeah, how long? It's opposite Wild Wadi. Burj Al Arab, opposite the Burj Al Arab. Yes, please. Alright, thank you. Okay, so the Suzuki's back in the Suzuki workshop again. Checking the clock, it's done a grand total of 500 kilometers in the last year. Well, 100 odd of that would be me riding it back from the workshop in Sharjah, and then my friend taking it out to Sharjah because he lives out there, and then him riding back yesterday. That accounts for a good 300 odd. I was going to pull right here and avoid the roundabout of death, but I've just decided I'm going to go over into the industrial area, have a little shopping trip. Pretty obvious reasons I call this the roundabout of death. There's a fairly good chance of getting killed on it. But they are replacing it. They're obviously building enormous flyovers to replace the roundabout. They could just switch those lights off, really. They never operate, they just blink yellow full time. How bizarre.